Okay, so we try this example. The integral of x squared minus 2x minus 3 all over x cubed plus x squared minus 2. So, since yung q of x natin is parang complicated, hindi siya agad-agad mafa-factor, gawin natin ulit si synthetic division. So, we write the numerical coefficients, so x cubed and then x squared. Since missing yung x natin, lagyan natin ng 0. And then our constant is negative 2. And let's try if si x minus 1 is a factor of our q of x. So, this will be bring down 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 plus 1, that will be equal to 2. Okay, this 2. 1 times 2 is 2, and then 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. 1 times 2 is 2, and then negative 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. Since nag-0 to, ibig sabihin, factor ng q of x natin si x minus 1, and the remaining is this one. So, this will be equal to x squared minus 2x minus 3 all over cx minus 1 times x squared plus 2x plus 2. And then dx. So, this one, kinuha ko lang siya dito. Yung mga numbers dito are the numerical values or the numerical coefficients of our x variables. Starting from x squared. Okay? So, from here, ano yung cases na gagamitin natin? Si x squared plus 2x plus 2 is irreducible quadratic equation na. Hindi na natin siya mafa-factor out. Hindi na natin siya mafa-factor. Mahahanapan ng factor. That's why our case falls under case 1 and 3. Bakit case 1 and 3? Because we still have a linear equation dito. So, this will be equal to, ito siya, si a over x minus 1. And then plus, sa case 3 natin, that will be equal to b times 2ax. So, yung a natin dito will be 1. And yung b natin will be equal to 2. So, a natin is 1 and then x. So, that will be equal to 2x. Tapos, yung b natin is 2 plus 2. So, this is equal to 2ax plus b all over c irreducible quadratic equation natin, that will be equal to x squared plus 2x plus 2. And then, meron pa tayong nakalimutan sa taas. Si plus c. And then, dx. Okay, so from there, we can now proceed to methods of partial fractions. So, this will be equal to x cubed minus 2x minus 3 all over x minus 1 times x squared plus 2x plus 2 is equal to, least common denominator niya will be x minus 1 times x squared plus 2x plus 2. So, this will be equal to a times x squared plus 2x plus 2 and then plus b. Distribute na lang natin to. This will be, wag muna. B times 2x plus 2 times, that is x minus 1. And then plus c times x minus 1. Okay, so, of course, this will cancel. So, this will be x cubed minus 2x minus 3 equal to, distribute natin, this is ax squared plus 2ax plus 2a. And then, this is b. FOIL method gamitin natin. This will be equal to 2x squared minus 2x plus 2x minus 2. Okay? So, that is equal to, and then plus cx minus c. Distribute natin si c dito. So, of course, this will cancel. So, simplify further pa natin. This will be equal to ax squared plus 2ax plus 2a plus 2b x squared and then minus 2b plus cx minus c. So, from there, since symmetry ulit yung gagamitin natin, combine like terms na tayo. Is equal to x squared, that is equal to a plus 2b plus x that is equal to 2a, that is 2a plus c. Okay, so 2a plus c. And then yung mga constants natin, that will be equal to 2a minus 2b minus c. Okay, so by symmetry, that will be equal to a plus 2b is equal to 1. Okay, so ito siya, si x squared natin. X squared pala to, sorry. Akala ko x cube. Palitan ko na lang. Yan, x squared. Okay, so x squared natin. And then, for our x, that will be equal to 2a plus c equal to negative 2. Ayan, si negative 2 natin. And for our constants naman, we have 2a minus 2b minus c is equal to negative 3. Ayan. So, this is our equation number 1, equation number 2, and equation number 3. Now, hindi pa pala. So, from this one, pwede nating sabihin na transpose natin si 2b. So, that will be equal to 1 minus 2b. And this will serve as our equation 1. For this one naman, let c be equal to negative 2. Transpose natin si 2a minus 2a. This our equation 2. Okay, and then we substitute equation 1 and equation 2 to equation 3. So, this will be equal to 2 times 1 minus 2b minus 2b minus c natin is negative 2 minus 2a equal to negative 3. Okay. So, simplify natin. This will be equal to 2 minus 4b minus 2b, negative, negative, positive 2, and then positive 2. Si a natin, palitan ulit natin sa equation 1. Okay, gamitin natin yan. 1 minus 2b, that is equal to negative 3. Okay, so 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4. And then negative 4b minus 2b, that is equal to negative 6b. And then simplify natin to, plus 2 minus 4b equal to negative 3. So 4 plus 2, that is equal to 6. Negative 6 minus 4, that is equal to negative 10b equal to negative 3. And if we solve for the value of b from here, so yung b natin will be equal to 9 over 10. So yan yung makukuha natin na value for b. Now, in solving for a, substitute natin si b to equation 1. Okay, so a is equal to 1 minus 2 times 9 over 10. So, our a is equal to negative 4 over 5. And for our c naman, substitute a to equation 2. So, c will be equal to negative 2 minus 2 times negative 4 over 5. And we get a value of c equal to negative 2 over 5. So, we now have values for a, b, and c. Plug na lang natin dito. Okay. So, next slide na tayo. So, this will be equal to the integral of what is a, that is negative 4 over 5. So, negative 4 over 5 all over x minus 1 plus yung b natin is equal to 9 over 10. So, 9 over 10 times 2x plus 2. And then, yung c natin is negative 2 over 5. So, minus 2 over 5 all over x squared plus 2x plus 2 and then dx. So, simplify muna natin. This will be equal to the integral of negative 4 over 5 over x minus 1 plus 9 over 10 times 2x, that is equal to, pag muna. 9, paghiwalayin muna natin. 9 over 10 times 2x plus 2 all over x squared plus 2x plus 2 minus 2 over 5 over x squared plus 2x plus 2, and then don't forget yung dx natin. So we can separately integrate every term. So at integral of negative 4 over 5 over x minus 1 dx, this will be equal to, isolate natin si constant, and then dx over x minus 1 is ln of x minus 1. And next naman, at the integral of 9 over 10 times 2x plus 2 all over x squared plus 2x plus 2 dx. So, isolate natin si constant. This will be equal to 9 over 10, the integral of 2x plus 2 all over x squared plus 2x plus 2 dx. So, mag-let u tayo. Let u be equal to x squared plus 2x plus 2. Your du will now be equal to 2x plus 2 dx. So, 1 over 2x plus 2 du is equal to dx. Or, since meron tayong 2x plus 2 dx dito, pwede na lang natin siyang substitutan ng du. So, we don't need this anymore. So, this will be equal to 9 over 10. 9 over 10, the integral of 2x squared plus 2x plus 2 dx is equal to du. So, this will be equal to du, and x squared plus 2x plus 2 is equal to u. So, this will be equal to 9 over 10 ln of x squared plus 2x plus 2. Okay, so this is the integration. And then, for the last term naman, at the integral of 2 over 5 over, sorry, okay, so at, dito na lang. At the integral of 2 over 5, 2 over 5, negative 2 over 5, tapos x squared over x squared plus 2x plus 2 dx. So, isolate natin si constant, and then the integral of dx over this one. Let u ulit tayo, gamitin natin to. So, our 1 over 2x plus 2 du is equal to dx. So, we can use that. So, this is equal to dx all over x squared plus 2x plus 2. So, this is negative 2 over 5. What is our dx? That is 1 over 2x plus 2 du all over x squared plus 2x plus 2. This should be u pala. Kasi nag-u substitution na tayo. Okay, so from there, parang pinakomplicate lang natin yung problem. So, let's try another method for this one. So, erase ko na lang to. Okay. So, let's try another method for that one. Okay, so next slide. At the integral of, ilabas natin si negative 2 over 5, the integral of dx all over si x squared plus 2x plus 2. Okay, so pwede nating i-write yung denominator natin as negative 2 over 5, the integral of dx all over x squared plus 2x plus 1 plus 1. So that maging irreducible to. Maging reducible siya. Okay, so we can rewrite this as negative 2 over 5, the integral of dx all over. Now, si x squared plus 2x plus 1 has factors. That is equal to x plus 1 squared. So, perfect square na siya. And then, plus 1. Now, if you look at this, based sa mga previous lessons natin, we can apply si trigonometric substitution natin dito. Why? Okay. So, mag-let muna tayo. According to trigonometric substitution, let u be equal to x minus 1. And then yung a natin will be equal to 1. And from that, we can rewrite this into the negative 2 over 5 times the integral of dx all over u squared plus 1. Tama? Or a squared. Okay? So, this can be written as u squared plus a squared. Dito na lang. This can be written as negative 2 over 5 the integral of dx all over u squared plus a squared. So, from there, plus siya. So, if we rewrite this, that will be equal to u squared plus 1. And, since plus ito, u squared plus 1, we are going to use u is equal to a tangent theta. So, our u will be equal to tangent theta because our a is equal to 1. So, ito yung substitute natin sa u natin. Okay? So, we rewrite this as solve pa pala natin yung du. What is the derivative of tangent theta? That is equal to secant squared theta d theta. So, palitan pa natin to ng u. Okay, so du over u squared plus a squared. Okay, so ulitin natin dito sa part na to. So, erase ko muna siya. Kasi baka malito kayo. Nalito rin ako eh. Okay. So, ulitin natin dito sa part na to. So, our u is equal to x minus 1. And our a is equal to 1. Now, since our u is equal to x minus 1, then we are going to use, since I rewrite muna natin to, this will be equal to negative 2 over 5, the integral of, x plus 1 pa pala to. So, x plus 1, the integral of dx all over x plus 1 squared plus 1. Okay, so from there, since our u is equal to x plus 1, and this is equal to x plus 1 squared plus 1 squared, this is equal to u squared plus a squared. So, since it takes the form, the integrand takes the form of u squared plus a squared, we are going to use u is equal to a tangent theta. However, since our u is equal to x plus 1, then x plus 1 is equal to a is 1, so wag na nating isulat si 1, tangent theta. And if we are going to get the derivative of this, dx, the derivative of a constant is 0. So, pwede na nating i-omit. So, the dx, what is the derivative of tangent theta? That is equal to secant squared theta d theta. Okay? And from there, pwede na nating i-substitute tong mga to dito. Okay? So, this will be equal to negative 2 over 5, the integral of dx. What is dx? That is secant squared theta d theta. Yes. And then, all over, yung x plus 1 natin is u. Ito, x plus 1 natin is tangent theta. So, that is equal to tangent squared theta since naka-square siya. And then, plus 1. And from there, sa Pythagorean relations natin, tangent squared theta plus 1 is equal to secant squared theta. So we can rewrite this as negative 2 over 5, the integral of secant squared theta all over secant squared theta d theta. So this will cancel. So we will be left with negative 2 over 5, the integral of d theta. So simplifying that one, this is equal to negative 2 over 5 theta. So how do we solve for theta? Okay. So dito natin kukunin yung value ng theta natin. So tangent theta is equal to x plus 1. However, in order to get yung theta natin, kunin natin yung arctan. So theta is equal to arctan x plus 1. So, yun yung substitute natin dito. Yun yung ipapalit natin sa theta natin dito. So, this will be equal to negative 2 over 5 arctan x plus 1. So, in-apply natin yung trigonometric substitution dito sa part na to. So, we have this value. Now, gawin na lang natin is input na lang natin dito. Saan ba? Okay, from here, yes, gamitin natin si negative 4 over 5. So, this is equal to negative 4 over 5 ln of x minus 1 plus 9 over 10 ln of x squared plus 2x plus 2 and then minus 2 over 5 arctan x plus 1. X plus 1 ba yung ginamit? Okay, sige. X plus 1. And then, don't forget si plus c natin. Now, simplify pa natin. This will be equal to ln of x minus 1 raised to negative 4 over 5 plus ln of x squared plus 2x plus 2 raised to 9 over 10 minus 2 over 5 arctan x plus 1 plus c. This is equal to ln of 1 over x minus 1 plus ln of x squared plus 2x plus 12 raised to 9 over 10. Don't forget si 4 over 5. Dito pala sa baba. 4 raised to 4 over 5. And then minus 2 over 5 arctan x plus 1 plus c. Now, if we simplify this further, since addition to, magmumultiply siya. So, this will be equal to ln of x squared. Oh, sorry. That is x squared plus 2x plus 12 raised to 9 over 10 over si x minus 1 raised to 4 over 5. And then, i-add natin si 2 over 5 arctan or subtract natin arctan x plus 1 plus c. So, this is the final answer for example number 5.